This section examines brake fluid. The brake fluid transmits hydraulic pressure from the master cylinder to the wheels. It is a special fluid with special properties. Most are a mixture of glycerin and alcohol, called glycol, with additives to give it the characteristics that are needed. It must have the correct viscosity for hot and cold conditions. Its boiling point must be higher than the temperature reached by the system. It must not damage seals, gaskets or hoses or cause corrosion. Glycol-based fluids meet most requirements, although they do damage paint. And they absorb moisture, hence the warnings. This is important because as moisture is absorbed, it lowers the boiling point of the fluid. Brake fluid should not be mixed with mineral-based oils or solvents. If contamination is suspected, the braking system must be drained and flushed with a suitable solvent and rubber components replaced.